Hello students, how are you? Now we are going to start our new chapter 12, that is area and perimeter. Before starting area and perimeter, we have to know about what is area and what is perimeter. See this paper? This is a rectangle shape figure. Paper is in the shape of a rectangle. Now what is area? Area is the total surface enclosed by this region. That is called area. What is area? Area is the total surface enclosed by the region. That is called area. And what is perimeter? Perimeter is the length of the boundary of this shape. The shape of this paper is a rectangle. So what is perimeter? Perimeter is the length of the boundary of a shape. We have to calculate by measuring the outline of the shape, that is called perimeter. Now see your book, page number 231 page. Now see the figures. These are the enclosed figures. Closed figures: circle, rectangle, triangle and square. Now what is the perimeter? Perimeter is length of the boundary of shape. That is, it can be calculated by measuring the outline of the shape. When we measure the outline of this figure of rectangle and we add them, that is called total perimeter. Suppose it is a rectangle. The length of this figure is 4 cm. 4 is here and 4. All the 4 sides are equal and the side measurement of each side is 4 cm. Now what is the perimeter? Perimeter is we have to add all the 4 sides, sum of all the 4 sides, that is called 16 cm. That is called the perimeter of the figure. Now we have to find the perimeter of shapes using square papers. A square paper is covered with horizontal and vertical lines. These are the horizontal lines and these are the vertical lines. These are the vertical lines and these are the horizontal lines. Perimeter of shapes like rectangle, square and triangle, it can be calculated by using a piece of graph paper. How we have to calculate? Say this figure. In this figure, perimeter of rectangle, we have to find out the perimeter of rectangle. See the red lines. This figure is in the rectangular shape. What is the shape of this figure is rectangle. So what we have to do? We have to count the number of squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. These are the 14 squares. And length of one square is 1 unit. It means the perimeter of this figure is 14 units. So 1 unit, or you can say 1 centimeter. So perimeter is 14 units, or you can say 14 centimeters. Count the number of squares at the boundary of the rectangles and then that is your answer. All the squares of the graph papers are equal and we have to count the number of squares along the boundary of the rectangle. We have to count the numbers of the squares: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. These are the 14 squares. So it is 14 centimeter is the perimeter. Now see your next page. find the perimeter of the rectangle taking the side of each square to be 1 centimeter. You have to find out the perimeter. Here this figure is rectangular shape figure, and when we count, these are the 20 squares here. Here in this figure there are 20 squares, so perimeter is 20 centimeter. Each is 1 centimeter. Each side of the square is 1 centimeter. So number of squares are 20. So perimeter of the rectangle is 20 centimeter. Now what is the perimeter of square? Perimeter of square is same in this way in this figure. That page is 232 page. In this figure, it is a square and number of squares are here 12. So perimeter of the given figure is 12 centimeter. In this figure, next figure, here it is also square shaped, and here the number of squares are 16. So perimeter is 16 centimeter. There will be 16 small squares. So the perimeter is 16 centimeter. Now we have to discuss perimeter of irregular shapes. Now what are the perimeter of irregular shapes? See here page number 233 page. Perimeter of irregular shapes. To find the perimeter of the irregular shapes, we will count the number of squares along the boundary of the given shape. We will count the number of squares along the boundary of the given shape. Now see in this figure, count the number of squares along the boundary of the given shape. This figure will be given you. You have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 is here and 5 is here. Again 1, 2 and this 3. 2 we have to write 2 outside them and 3 inside. 4, 5 outside, 6 outside, 7, 8 inside, 9 outside है, 10, 11, 12. So these are 12. ठीक है, we have to count the number of squares along the boundary of the given shape. This one will be given you red lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So number of squares are 12, and each small square will be of 1 centimeters, and there will be 12 units. So perimeter of the given shape is 12 centimeters. So see your next question. Find the perimeter of the shape taking the side of each square to be 1 centimeter. Here each side is 1 centimeter. See the red words figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, that is inside, 19, 20. Here will be 20 squares. So each side of the small square is 1 centimeter. So perimeter of the given square is 20 centimeter. Now what is the perimeter of the shapes using the sum of the sides? Now see this figure. It is perimeter of rectangle on the next page 234. Perimeter of rectangle. See this figure. This figure is a rectangular shape figure. We have to mark the points A, B, C and D. AB is 7 centimeter, BC is 4 centimeter, CD is 7 centimeter and DA is 4 centimeter. Now what will be the perimeter of the rectangle? Means sum of all the sides AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. We have to calculate the length of all the sides. AB is 7 centimeter, BC 4, CD is 7 and DA is 4. We have to add them and get the answer, that is 22 centimeter. Now find the perimeter of this given shape. 12 centimeter, 4 centimeter. And opposite sides ne, so it will be also 12 centimeter and it will be also 4 centimeters. Now what will be the perimeter? Give it names A, B, C and D. Now what is the perimeter? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. This AB is 12, BC is 4, CD is 12 and DA is 4. So it will be 32 centimeter. That is the perimeter of rectangle. It means कि perimeter of rectangle is sum of length of all the sides of the given shape, or you can say, or you can use the formula perimeter is equal to 2 times L plus breadth. Length और breadth ਨੂੰ add करके 2 ਨਾਲ multiply कर देना. Then you have to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, perimeter of rectangle is 2 times L plus length plus breadth. Now what is the perimeter of square? Perimeter of square is also sum of all the 4 sides. It will be calculated by adding the length of all the 4 sides. In this figure, PQ, QR, RS and SP. Each side is 5 centimeter. Now perimeter is PQ plus QR plus RS plus SP. Put the values 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is 20 centimeter. That is the perimeter of square, or you can find out the perimeter of square by 4 multiply side. Side is 5 centimeter, 4 multiply 5, that is 20 centimeter. In the same way, here in this question, 2 times L is 12 plus 4 breadth 2 into 16, that is 32 centimeter. By this method or by this method, by adding both the methods you can use to do this sum. Now perimeter of rectangle.